Right, so all you have to do is come down to Windows Start menu, right click, go to Network Connections, and then here you go to change adapter options. Here you can choose your network device. Controller, mine is a cabled one, yours might be a wireless one. So double click on yours and then come down to properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it. And then you come to this section. So yours might be filled in here, so just leave it alone. Either automatic or this one. Come down to this one and you can set this to use the following DNS server address. So I'm going to put in Google's public DNS server, which is 8.0, 8.8.8.8. 8.8 and 8.8.44, and say okay. Close all this out, and then say yeah, it works now. Mine didn't work, and it's working now. Okay, thanks. Okay, so I forgot to include another setting that could be helpful. It's just enabling your cookies. So if you go to your browser, I'm using Thorium, but it's the same as the Google browser or Chrome. So just go to your settings, and then go to privacy and security, third-party cookies, and then allow third-party cookies. This should resolve the problem as well. If you don't want to allow this, just allow it for that. Run the video. If it works, then you can set it to block third-party cookies again. Yeah, that's it.